just remember what your pal said. You got a friend in me. 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 You got your troubles, well, I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We'll stick together, see it through. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Some folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too. But none of them could ever love you the way I do. It's me and you, boy. And as the years go by, our friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. You got a friend in me. You got a friend.